Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing or unbagging from Ipsy. This is the October bag. It has a cute little spider charm there on the zipper. And then on this side you can see the web. Their Halloween bags are some of my favorite. Though I don't think they've ever done anything like really Christmassy for the Christmas ones. That would be cool to see. But my first item is Best Face Forward. This is a clarifying toner. I don't get toner often, but I love this because it's a good little travel size, and we tend to go on a couple like little vacations a year, and that way I can bring that with me without having a huge heavy container. From Perlice, I have Illuminating BB Cream with SPF 30. Oil-free moisturizing, natural looking coverage. That's cool. So far, pretty good. Then we have Lip Scrub. I don't really use lip scrub, but I might give that a try. Then I have Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara by Ditto. Love trying new mascaras, and I haven't heard anything or had anything from this brand that I know of at least, so give that a try. And the last item is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think this is, yeah, it's a concealer, number 2 Magic Touch Concealer. Cool. I like the applicator for that. And then it did come with a card, but it didn't say anything about the products. It just says Halloween, and then there's some last minute Halloween inspiration there that you can go for. And then next month for November, they're having a celebrity curated glam bag X. I just get the regular bag, the cheaper one, and I've been subscribed for years. So if you want to see past boxes or if you want to join, I have all the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.